The Division Expedition, an interactive journey into numbers. Hello learners, and welcome to another exciting video. Today we're going to dive into the wonderful world of division. This mathematical operation might seem tricky at first, but with practice, you'll master it in no time. What's more, we're going to make this learning journey fun and interactive. Are you ready? Let's get started. To start, let's understand what division is. Division is one of the four basic operations in math, along with addition, subtraction, and multiplication. When we divide, we're essentially sharing or distributing something equally. For example, if we have 10 apples and want to share them equally among 2 people, each person would get 5 apples. In mathematical terms, this would be written as 10 divided by 2 equals 5. You've probably seen the division symbol before. It's a horizontal line with a dot above and below it, divided by, or sometimes it's a slash. This symbol helps us represent the division operation. For example, the division of 10 by 2 would be written as 10 divided by 2 or 10 halves. Remember, the number before the symbol is the dividend and the number after the symbol is the divisor. Now that we understand the basics of division, let's get hands-on with some interactive division activities. Activity 1. Flashcards. Make flashcards with simple division problems. Shuffle them and solve each one. Try to answer as fast as you can. This will not only test your understanding but also improve your speed. Activity 2. Division stories. Create small stories involving division. For example, Jack has 15 cookies. He wants to share them equally with his 3 friends. How many cookies does each friend get? This activity makes learning division more relatable and fun. Activity 3. Division relay. This is a fun game if you're learning with friends or classmates. Form 2 teams. Give each team a set of division problems. The team that solves their problems the fastest wins. It's a great way to encourage collaborative learning. We hope that you found these division activities fun and helpful. Remember, learning is a journey, and every step you take makes you better. So keep practicing and soon you'll become a division master. We'll be back with more fun and interactive English learning content. Until then, happy learning!